Here are the supplies for today's project.
Hey, we're gonna do another Dollar Tree heart. I'm gonna use a painting technique that I have been seeing all over the place that I've been dying to try because it looks really fun. It uses Dawn Powerwash, but we're gonna make a Valentine's Day heart using that technique.
Okay, I took the wood heart from Dollar Tree and I painted it with whatever leftover spray paint I had. I had a pink, a coral, and some gold. And I just did it in a random pattern, let that side dry. And then I did the back side, and I did add a little white to that side. But I did the pink, the coral, and the gold also on this side. On the first side, I was a little timid, and I didn't spray as much power wash. And then after I sprayed it, I did let it sit for a couple minutes, and then I sprayed the spray paint. And that's how it looked. And then I rinsed it off. Again, I waited a couple minutes, and I feel like I waited a little too long. But all I did was scrub it with a little water. On the other side, I was a little bit more aggressive and did more of the power wash. And then I did the spray paint, and then I immediately washed it off. And look at that, much, much better. So that's the first side, which still is cool if I had done more. And here is the other side. Look at the little details, like the sudsy little details there. Pretty cool.
I hope you like the way the heart turned out. Be sure to check out the other hearts I've made. They all look totally different, and I want to know which one is your favorite. And you can check them out over here. And remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. See you over here.